So how can you send the disappearing messages on the iPhone? How does that work? Let's get started. So at first we need to start or decide which app we're going to use it with, because naturally we have the built-in iOS messages app, but we also have some third-party solutions like Messenger and WhatsApp, which I'm going to touch on a little later. But when it comes to the messages on the iPhone, if you use iMessage, meaning that you work with the Apple ecosystem and there are like the blue bubbles, you have some options on the message, right? And the way that it's going to look. So you can, before sending it, you can hold down on the blue arrow, and this gives you the ability to use, for example, the invisible ink, which will technically make the app disappear, right? Because it's like hidden, then the recipient has to tap on it to like reveal it, then it's going to be hidden away. So it's kind of, technically it is a disappearing message, but it's not the ultimate approach, because this is all that we have within the Messages app from Apple. For more options, you need to get to WhatsApp, and in there, you have the ability to turn on the disappearing messages like altogether, because that's very useful. And, you can choose a window of like, 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days of the disappearing. And that means that after that time, the chat is going to be gone. And also, before you send a photo, you have the option to set a timer for that photo. So it will also only be viewable once and it will disappear. So if you use WhatsApp, you have more options. So I would recommend you to upgrade or switch to that for more flexibility. But, I'm just showing you what is possible. So let me know below in the comments if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the future.